Dear children, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to read the book exercises for the lesson Science in Everyday Life. First Roman letter, say whether the following statement are true or false. Number 1, when we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. True. Number 2, idli is cooked by the process called steaming. True. Thermometer is used to measure pressure. False, because thermometer is used to measure temperature. Fourth one, refrigerator helps to keep things cold. True. Fifth one, garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. False. Number 6, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. True. Children, write down this true or false in the book. Second Roman letter, circle the name of the things from which idli is made. Circle the things: rice, water, salt, black gram and fenugreek. Roman number 3, match the home appliances and their. First one, pressure cooker, cooks faster. Second one, fridge, preserves vegetables. See the right side, kettle, boils water. Next one, grinder, makes batter of food grains. And the last one is coffee maker, makes coffee. Fourth Roman letter, which of these are safe to do at home? Put tick or cross in the box. Number 1, touching electrical appliances is wrong. Playing with sharp object is wrong. Fourth one, keep safe distance from the gas stove and cylinder. True. So put a trick there. Children, today's assignment is Roman number 1, say true or false. You write in the homework notebook 2 times. Thank you, children.